so today's the day that I do it. I'm gonna buy a wing today. Yep, yes sir. Currently driving to the place, to the person to meet up with him to buy the wing. Some very exciting news, honestly, and I'm really hyped. So I got to the place and, oh, look at that. Oh my God. Look at that thing. Wow. Time to meet him. How's it going?
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you. Justin.
Nice meeting you, bro.
It's like clear coat issues and stuff.
It's like, it didn't even get anywhere like far where it was.
It looks sweet because like I don't see any Subarus with this wing too.
Yeah,
So that's,
so yeah, so this is the guy that usually.
dang, you had it mounted on there. That's so gnarly. I appreciate it though for everything and all that.
Definitely, bro.
Have a good one. Farewell. So yeah, this is the wing. There's that. Just a little bit of clear coat problems, but nothing too bad. Foggy, it's cloudy. This has a little bit of damage. Might find a custom plate right here to fit on my car. We'll see. I just bought the wing, and little do you know, I followed him on Instagram already. That's so cool that I already followed him. So this wing has a few clear coat issues, but honestly, that's not a concern to me. It's not in the most perfect condition, but that's the reason why I bought it, because I want to, you know, see if I could restore it and have a wing looking brand new from buying a wing with clear coat issues. I want to show you guys that it's possible, or maybe it's not possible, because honestly, I have no idea. I have zero idea if this is gonna work or not. We'll see. Now I'm gonna take you guys to the next step of what I'm gonna do with this wing and see what's up. So we've been looking, we're gonna get some new hardware. A lot of the hardware on here is like rusting and stuff. And I wanna make sure it's, yeah, I wanna make sure that it's good and right. What we're gonna do with the base, we're gonna peel off the old rubber gasket. We bought some, I don't even know, some rubber filler thing for the base plate. We're gonna place that on there.
All right, dude.
There's no going back.
Do you want to do this? You can put the first puncture into the trunk.
All right. Dang. Almost got the car.
Told you, be careful.
Oh my gosh, it's so nerve-wracking to drill. Alright, what's up guys? So, I just finished putting on the wing. I didn't really film much about how the process was putting on the wing. I basically just wanted to get this on and just finish it. This wing, it needs a lot of work. I really love this wing. It's really nice. It's so nice. I'm like, what? I have my first carbon fiber dude. First carbon fiber part, dude. It's so dope. Like, look at that weave. The thing is with this wing, it, like I said in the beginning of the video, it needs a ton of work. And I got it from Dat Rec. Put his gram right here. Check out his link, you know, for his Instagram. Just a few things about this wing. By looking at it from here, it looks perfect, right? Like the weave is all perfect. It just looks so clean, right? So dope, oh my God. I own this wing, dude. It's so gnarly. And these actually have a function to it, puts pressure on the wing so it's sturdy, it doesn't like shake anywhere. Now there are a few clear coat problems. This side's more the better side. The clear coat is gonna get fixed. It's a little rough up here. I put a little bit of carnauba wax on the wing so it doesn't look as bad. Let me try to show you the justice of this weave, dude. Oh my God, holy crap. I am literally like, oh my God. So dope. Look at that weave. Even like this little section right here, like, whoo! I want to make this wing as perfect as possible. So I don't know if I'm gonna get this section fixed because I don't know if I can find anyone, but I want to find a custom base plate for this. Like, honestly, I'd probably go with something like this or aluminum, put it on right here instead of a carbon one, because I honestly don't like this hole and I don't like this gap that's right here. That's the only concern that I have with this wing. And I switched out the hardware. I switched it to a nylon nut as well, so then it doesn't loosen up. And then with this wire right here, it's pretty fastened, but I want to change out these hooks. I might just paint them black or something. And I want to get new hardware right here. Holy hoop, man. I love this car. And if you guys love something that you love doing or something, whatever, things happen when you try hard in your life. Just remember that. So you have this idea and that you want to do, but then you get to the point where you're about to do it, right? Now you get nervous of the idea of, by doing the task to accomplish your goal, you just gotta put yourself out there and do it, and then you'll realize maybe you're having fun. Then you start thinking to yourself, why didn't I do this ahead of time? Why didn't I start now? So before you wait a year to start doing something that you wanna do, for instance, making videos or taking pictures or modding your car, or hanging out with someone or anything, just do it now while you have the idea. Even right after you finish watching this video, do it. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram, my Snapchat, and my Twitter. You know, I'm posting on there quite frequently, or at least I'm trying to on my WRX account. I just wanted to post this if you guys realize I've been teasing you for a long time. Now here's the reveal. So yeah, stay positive, guys. Stay motivated. And the words of wisdom for today's video is to never give up on your dreams. Try something that you're uncomfortable with, because maybe you'll have fun doing it. Peace. Till next time. Carbon fiber.